This is my first PIC program. Here I got a 16F8778. It's the first program I wrote for this. It's sort of a clock and an alarm clock. It will show you the day or the time, if the alarm is on or off, and the time that the alarm is set at. So here I got two buttons. One is for the hour settings for the normal clock, and this is the alarm settings. So if I press hour, it asks enter hour. It's 13. Enter minutes, 58. Day number, today is Sunday, it's 7. Sunday 13:58. If I set the alarm at 13:59, alarm set at 13:59. Now this switch goes to an input of the PIC, but that input is also used as an output for this buzzer here. Alarm, wake up. Now if I press the hour button or the day clock button, the alarm is reset. Alarm is set off, it's time for a shower. And that's what I'm going to do now. So bye, thanks for watching, see you next time.